go here and I need to go this way. They said it's safe. Ah, that's the camping area. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's start. Okay. I'm going to merge to blue color. Look at this one. It's so cute. Yan, meron siyang hat. So, hindi ka talaga mawawala dito. Kasi may mga arrows sila. And may mga sign. And super friendly naman ng manager nila. Tinuro nila sa akin. So, binigyan. Hata.